19 inside. Just this is clear. No. This is clear.
Okay. What was the shots fired in here?
Well, they did an explosive bullet breach. It was Levi? Okay. It was Levi.
Everyone's good?
Yeah, oh. Okay.
Okay, listen up, guys. As soon as we finish clearing all these doors from this hallway, recheck them. Then lock this hallway down. Post 2 patrol guys right here for me, okay? Start clearing back that direction till we meet up in that center rotunda area. This room right here goes to this suite. Do we have master keys?
That was clear.
Right now.
That's cleared, right?
We're clearing it right now.
Cleared,
Yep.
This is going to be cleared.
So leave 2 here on this door. Leave 2 here on this door. Start rechecks all the way back down.
This one has not been checked yet.
Hey, do you guys have a...
This one has not been checked yet.
Hey, do you guys have a master to this door?
Yes.
Do you guys have a master key?
Yes. Every room has been cleared.
We gotta recheck it. Everyone, we're gonna check every room.
No, that's the last one. Security one. Right here. Make sure nobody comes in.
Here, have your one. You're covered. You're not coming from
Whole hallway is clear.
Rechecks.
Okay.
Yep. Look for down persons.
What's that? Recheck.
All right, here.
Start.
I need 2 guys.
Coming out.
Where's Mike?
Silver.
We have this contained. There is no need for anybody else up here. If there's other situations going on, then let's address those. We're a code 4 here. We've got patrol units that are clearing down the right.
Right here, I can't tell what direction this room is. Let me get to a window and see.
Hey. What do you need, Levi?
Sir!
Here, man.
We were just doing rechecks to make sure everybody's got the beds are clean.
You're facing the left door, so do not have a broken window.
No, there's several rooms here. You remember, window, right where that curtain is right by the door.
Okay. Stand together. Okay. Stand together. Okay. Stand together. Okay. Stand together. Okay. Stand by. We've got curtains open on a window that's not broken.
It's us. Corey, it's us. Show us us.
We have the
Go ahead, I'm up here in the room.
Go ahead, Todd. Copy that.
Already done, it's right here.
Is it? Okay. They had security down at the elevator banks as well. You got it?
Copy that, I'm going to send you a phone, you want me to do that over there right now, I've got his wallet.
Let me contact the hotel and get the elevators going.
Security's right here. They're right outside the door, Corey.
Okay. I'd say that's pretty close. Affirmative, that's the wall we have here, and, photo of guys, that's pretty close to the suspect.
Didn't check in with anybody else.
That's correct, that's the info we got on the wallet, and we got the back driver's license. Affirmative, it is our suspect, we got three.
So who's calling him in? Because this guy's been 419 for a minute. This guy's been 419 for a minute in here. So who's calling these in, I wonder?
He also has the.
No, he's open like this.
Window out.
You got wires.
Yeah, he has an intricate camera system set up out to this, so he knew when officers were coming down the hallway.
There's the wire that was connected to this, and the computer is watching it on me right there.
There was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet. Suspect that's 418 right. There was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet. Suspect that's 418 right. There was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet. Suspect that's 418 right. There was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet. Suspect that's 418 right. There was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet. Suspect that's 418 right.
We are facing the left door.
We can probably see there. We were just doing rechecks to make sure everybody's got the beds are clean.
You're facing the left door, so do not have a broken window.
No, there's several rooms here. You remember, window, right where that curtain is right by the door.
Okay. Stand by. We've got curtains open on a window that's not broken.
It's us. Corey, it's us. Show us us.
We have the
Go ahead, I'm up here in the room.
Go ahead, Todd. Copy that.
done, it's right here.
Is it? Okay. They had security down at the elevator banks as well. Got it?
Copy that, do you want me to send you a phone, you want me to do that over here right now, I've got his wallet.
Let me contact the hotel and get the elevators on.
Security's right here, they're right outside the door, Corey.
Okay.
It's us, Corey, it's us, tell them it's us.
Captain, go ahead, I'm up here in the room.
Go ahead, Todd. Copy that.
Already done, it's right here. It was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet, suspect that's 43 right. It was a player's card that was out on the countertop next to the wallet, suspect that's 43 right.